I really enjoy fixing bikes. Yeah, it's very rewarding. It's challenging too. There's always something different. My name is Damien. I work for Bixi in Toronto now as a mechanic and driver. I started here only about 6 weeks ago. I first took the BAM course, which is the Bicycle Assembly and Maintenance course next door here, and it's an excellent 2-month program. I learned everything that is required to fix bikes there, so that's where I became qualified to work here. In terms of where this career will lead, I haven't thought too much about the future. As for my inspiration for getting into this, I've always enjoyed riding bicycles, and it's something I really advocate because it's sustainable, and I like the idea of promoting a reduction of automobile usage in the downtown core. This one's ready. Check out D.